Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. Today in this video we discuss about business email in Namecheap hosting. How can we set business email in Namecheap hosting? Renewals are 30% cheaper at Namecheap. Buy your domain from US and save today. Get your domain and start your site today. 99.9% browser recognition, 100% money back guarantee, 24 by 7 live tech support, quick validation, professional business email hosting. Namecheap. Private email from Namecheap is a premium email interface that gives you more flexibility and power. Professional web-based email take place when both incoming. Choose a hosting provider. Once you have decided to make an address, you need to add your newly purchased email hosting product to your domain. Log into your cPanel mail action. To create and add a new email address, go to email account. From there, click add new email account. Fill out the username and pass and click to create button. Once your new email address is created, it should appear under the manage email account section. Does Namecheap hosting come with email? What is hosted email? As an example, Namecheap offers free email hosting with our domain hosting packages. Private email from Namecheap is a premium email interface that gives you more flexibility and power. Professional web-based email takes place with both incoming and outgoing emails are managed by a cloud mail server, which is one of the reasons so many businesses owners choose private email. What is email server hosting? Email hosting is a web or internet hosting service which rents out and operate email servers. Email hosting services are usually premium services which differ from the typical free webmail sites such as Yahoo and Google. How can I create an email server? A separate computer with decent hard drive capacity. This will act as the email server and store all your emails. A domain name for your private email server, a good and stable internet connection, an email server service to route your emails. Can you have email without hosting? You can create a professional email address without the need for a website, and you can do it with or without web hosting. However, if you want to get email hosting, you will need to have a domain name. Is Namecheap business email good? With its rich collaboration tools and friendly pricing structure, Namecheap private email is a great choice for business as well as for non-profits looking to optimize teamwork across a wide array of email client and mobile devices. How much does it cost to host an email address? Bluehost, Yahoo Mail, Namecheap, Google Workspace. The individual price of Bluehost is $2.75 price per user unlimited. Yahoo Mail individual price is $1 price per user is also $1. Namecheap individual price $0.99 price per user $0.41. Google Workspace $6. Individual price of Google Workspace is the $6 and the price per user of the Google Workspace is $6. Also, what is the professional business email address? A professional email address is the one that has your business's name in it. For example, Johan at myphotostudio.com is a professional email address. Email account on a free email services like johanphotographer@gmail.com are not good for business because they do not look professional. Now here you can see how you can create the personal business Gmail address. Why do I need email hosting? Email hosting keep your email safe and secure and make it accessible from anywhere you have an internet connection. Although people usually get email hosting and web hosting, services from the same provider, you don't have to. What is my email host name? Then click account setting. In the email tab, don't click the account that in the old email. Below server information, you can find your incoming mail server and outgoing mail server names. How do you create a Gmail domain? Go to Google app Gmail page, click the get started button, enter the name of your business and choose the number of employees or users. Pick the company's location, enter the email address, but now you can create a new business Gmail address and the last later. So friend, this is the video. Hope you know how can you create business email in Namecheap hosting.